have our M127VL Emily Wristlet. Your monogram goes here, centered on the front, with the strap to the left. Use one piece of solvay if needed. Slide the wristlet all the way to the back of a 6.5 by 5 slimline clamp frame. Trace area to ensure it fits inside the frame. Use our custom centering jigs to find center. Hang a weighted item from the frame to prevent excess shaking and uneven stitches. Lay one sheet of solvay on top, and now you may begin sewing. All the items used in this video can be purchased at wholesaleboutique.com. Our custom centering jigs can be purchased individually as well as a set of 4. These jigs are helpful tools to have when using hoop tech clamps framed on a variety of our products. When your sew is complete, you can remove the item from the machine. Now you have a finished product. Click the links in the description below to view the items used in this video.